So I wanted to just address Owami today because I was like, you know what, I'm her thing. I don't even watch her YouTube channel, but I always told my Kulumangam. I can even went and screen grab the DMs I got yesterday. Oh, I made a video about you. Oh, I made a video about you. Oh, I made a video about you. And then now I was like, man, this girl ngaye like literally, oh, I'm going to Lulu, lana. Okay, you said you said ngidela my colleagues am. You said ufisa singabina umntwana. And then uNkulunkulu anginikeza umntwana, you know. Because I was like, imagine, I was even talking to people on my Instagram live saying, imagine intombazane, you want to have a small waist, but you always udlala no car. Which is true, I can even say it now. I don't understand. You want to have a body like Lulu, but when I would be udlala no car, I don't eat, you know, I don't eat I only eat 1 meal a day. So always don't have time to argue with a stupid person. You're just a stupid dog. Always online. Imagine. So, oh, by the way, this currently running a special. This hair goes, it's like 2.5. Last year I bought it, was 3.3. Ngicela ni subscribe ku YouTube wami guys. Nginezinto eziningi engifuna ukuyishare. I have to address someone, or I have to address anything. 2,500. So someone told me that Owami was talking about me. She actually went and make a YouTube video talking about me. I don't know what's wrong with that girl. You know, kade ugel wangiqala, and she never like make a video kana ibe positive. It's always negative. Like it's nginibalele. Owami waqala ehlalethi mina ngikhuluma English, you know. On her channel, she would take time, and this teacher, this sexy mistress, ukhuluma English. I wonder how ingane iphasa Owami Entertainment. Waphinda futhi where I blocked her because I didn't know that she was following me on my Instagram. I went live on my Instagram talking about like I don't carry lunchbox at work. I don't eat. And then I went on saying, you know, mongeni stuff from people mabedla kuyanuka carry. You know, you end up not knowing. Maybe it's a kitchen or what. I don't eat, and I'm not lying. I don't carry a lunchbox at work. So she went on her channel. Athi mina ngijudge abomama badala lapha emsebenzini laba badlayo, blah blah blah. She said a lot. Let me tell you, I went to work the following day. My colleagues were so angry at me, and I'm asking myself, oh, the principal called me in the morning. And then it's like, hey Ntombi, this stuff was sekuthelele. And getting ngani. And apparently babonile ku Owami Entertainment ukuthi mina bengikhuluma ngabo. And I was not even talking about my colleagues. Into engayimention, I was like, I'm in a new school and abangijwayele ukuthi I don't carry a lunchbox at work. Like I said those things not direct to them. Ukuthi bayangenisa mabedla or something. She went on her channel para about me. And I had to go and apologize to my colleagues because of Owami Entertainment. Right was too long. I don't know why this girl. Owami ngfunani. I wish you can tell me. She got following. And some of my colleagues, some people that I know, some people that are like like they follow her on her YouTube channel. So she got this huge following. Musungiphaphela wena Spong. Oh her. I was like, imagine, I was even talking to people on my Instagram live saying, imagine intombazane, you want to have a small waist, but you always udlala no car. Which is true, I can even say it now. I don't understand. You want to have a body like Lulu, but when I would be udlala no car, I don't eat, you know, I don't eat I only eat 1 meal a day. So, okay, that one. And number 3, I remember I had that thing Yaga Lerato when Lerato came for me and blah blah blah, and then I had to respond, and when I respond, whatever the way I responded in that case where they were saying and stuff, took that and went and make a video. She said a lot of evil things. She even went and say, last time I checked, ulula kanaba bantwana and uma ngenzeka umntwana engamtholi uzothini. To God, okay, wakusho, I didn't even respond to her. Wakusho lokho makhuluma around that Lerato khana thing, and then like I don't know this girl, I don't follow her thing, I don't even watch her YouTube channel, but I always told my kulumangam. I can even went and screen grab the DMs I got yesterday. I made a video about you. I made a video about you. I made a video about you. And then now I was like, man, this girl like literally, Lulu, okay, you said that you said ngidela my colleagues you said ufisa singabna umntwana, and then uNkulunkulu anginikeza umntwana. Awubona ukuthi wena whatever that you wish about me ukuthi ngenzeka yenzeki, God gave me umntwana, and I've got a very handsome little man. My boy is so handsome, it's so blessed and everything. So number 4 came to my relationship, like the way everyone was talking about it again in 2024 when I came out about it. And she was one of the people who were talking nonsense around my relationship, how I stole that man from that woman, blah blah blah, and kissing me, this and that and that and that and that. She was one of those people. 2024 and 2025, she was the one. Okay, right. I keep quiet. I fall pregnant. So say congratulations, Lulu, you're pregnant. No. Ufisa ngathi engatholi ingane intombazane because mengatholi ingane intombazane ngaba kunje. Like, what's your problem? What's your problem with me, girl? What's your problem? And then, okay, my relationship, you talk blah 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 blah, and you don't even know facts, around all these things you're talking about, and you have this huge following. And then the next thing, like yesterday, I decided, it was my decision that I'm not going to explain to anyone or whatever, to remove my family pictures, not just my man's pictures on my Instagram. And then now she gijima phambili manje uhambe ethi mina ndoda ngihlukene nendoda yami babengane ngishiyile ngiyalayeka hayi khama isefikile uyalayeka blah 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 blah. She said a lot. I don't watch that channel that much, but she said a lot. Wacabanga ukuthi kuyoba njani. Like, she always want ukuthi kwenze something bad kumina. What's wrong with you? What's up with you, girl? Just tell me, do you want my life? Maybe it's because you are bitter, you don't have a qualification. Maybe it's because you didn't go to varsity and study and get a qualification. That's why you are so bitter towards me. Or maybe you want to have a shape like mine. Or I don't know, because you always negative. There's this other blogger, Londi, on Facebook. Well, she will post negative things, but Londi, she will also come and post positive things about me, which is like, I think is fair. But then this one, it's more like she's so personal. She always looking for a negative. It's like, ufuna ukungibona ngigqibekile ngiphelile or I don't know. So, and this video, I know nizomnikeza nina ama-fans akhe. This is a warning, and it's a last warning. Next time you mention my name, girl, you'll be served. I'm just tired of you. You know, I'm not like, I remember last 2 years back, I think you said something to me and I tried to respond and I call you by names and that was it. You've said, after that, you've said a lot and I've never said a thing to you. Even now. Yes, I did unblock you on my Instagram, girl. You know, so I know. You've been following me with a fake account. Now I was like, follow me with your original or your real accounts, not your fake accounts, you know. Defamation of character, calling me by all this teacher. Teaching is my profession. I went to school for this. I'm a teacher. I didn't just wake up and say, you know what, I just want to go to classroom and look nice and go and take pictures. I went to varsity for this. I suffered. I struggled, you know. Like even in Tolum 7, it was not easy for me. Like to find someone, it's just so easy for them to talk as if teacher game is just a joke. Oh, she even spoke about Jinimbi. Yeah. Like there are lots. There's a lot. I'm never been positive about me. It's always negative. She will call me dumb cop. She was the first person to call me dumb cop. Like I ask myself, what's wrong with this girl? What's up with you? Like literally, what's your problem when it comes to me? I don't understand you. I don't know you. Like, girl. For your own info, me and Mr. Klaba, we are still good. People from Newcastle, they can attest on that. So whatever that you are wishing on our relationship to happen, if uzomela kwenzeka kuzokwenzeka, but not ngendlela yakho. You are even saying ukuthi never in the eye that you can see when things are coming. Girl, yekela kuba umthakathi, because enhlizweni yakho, like it means you are always. I mean, like we went for my son's birthday in Cape Town. You never cover that story. Oh, Lulu with her man, whatever, they took her baby on Cape Town. You never. But every time something, but some people, they do cover positive stuff, nice things about Lulu. When are you always?
Yes, and